Squinchy, did I wake you? I'm sorry. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little different and I'm in a different space. If you guys follow my vlog channel, I filmed a few videos out here. This is the little porch attached to our house, and I'm filming down here because I'm in the process of like redoing my room. I like moved all of my furniture to where I want it, but there's just boxes and bags and piles of clothes everywhere because for the past 2 weeks I really haven't been home and I've been so busy. I haven't been able to finish it, but I didn't want that to be the only reason that I don't put up any videos. So I figured I'd pre-film a bunch of videos for myself today. And these are actually some really old boxes. Chester, are you good? As some of you know, I started getting the SEPHORA play boxes. My boyfriend's mom got me a subscription for Christmas and I really like them. I only opened 2 or 3 so far and I really like them, but I let them pile up and I didn't open them because part of the reason was because I was waiting to film them. But I wanted to just pre-film me opening them today, and I'm going to upload them sporadically even though they're going up later in between other videos that I'm going to do because I have some other pre-filmed videos. So I apologize in advance that some of these boxes are a little old, but I still like watching unboxing videos and I thought it would be cool to still put these up. If you guys don't know, SEPHORA Play is... There's a train coming, hold on. SEPHORA Play is a monthly box subscription that you guys can buy. It comes with sample sizes of beauty products in a cute little bag. And I got this as a gift, so I can't tell you how much it is, but if you go on the website, I'm sure you'll find it on there. So I opened them and I have a couple boxes here, and the first one I'm going to start with is the February box for 2018. So here is a shade that made me think of you. You're a good friend and your eyebrows are amazing. You're my lash crush. Do you even have pores? Every box comes with 50 beauty insider points, so that's really cool. And then on the back of this little like flyer, it kind of just tells you what you get. So I'm gonna dig into the box first, or the bag first. Okay, so this is what the February box looks like. All about love. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Superfood for Thought First Aid Beauty Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. Ooh, I just said I needed a new face mask. I'm excited to try this. I kind of want to smell it. Oh my god, that smells so good. Superfoods are changing the skincare game and this mask is no exception. It calls on antioxidant packed ginger and turmeric to refresh and revive so skin looks brighter, hydrated, and supple. Did we mention a face covered in orange jelly makes for great selfies? Cool. I'm really excited to try this. And then the next thing I'm taking out, ooh, is a lipstick. I kind of want to put it on right now. I don't know, it's kind of dark. This is the Makeup Forever lipstick in the color Rouge Matte. Oh, it's so little, but it's still a good size. Like, I feel like all lipsticks should be this size. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel, an exfoliating gel powered by multiple fruit enzymes to reveal a glowy complexion. Ooh, so it's like a face peel. That's cool. This is a perfume sample. This is the Tory Burch Love Relentlessly perfume. Oh, and I love how it's a tiny spray bottle. I love when perfumes come in like these tiny spray bottles because I hate when they come in just like a little glass thing you don't know how to put it on. Ooh, that smells so good. A sparkling fragrance of pink pepper, patchouli, and dewy rose that captures the first butterflies of love. I really like the way this smells, and it actually reminds me of one of my clients. I wonder if she uses this. Next, we have a lip gloss. This is the Sephora Collection lip gloss in the color 04 Perfect Nude. It's an Ultra Shine lip gel. And then last, we have this eyeliner from Lancome. Oh, I love blue liner. I actually went through a phase. Ooh, I kicked the camera. I went through a phase in like, I believe it was like 7th or 8th grade. Like I did a huge eyeliner around my eyes, but sometimes I would do blue and it would just make my eyes pop. I'm gonna put it on right now, honestly. This is the Lancome Drama Liqua Pencil, and I can't even pronounce the name, but it's blue and it's pretty.
Sorry if you guys are squeamish and don't want to see my eye.
not as like strong as a like gel liner. It doesn't stay that very well like on the inside of my eye.
Why am I even trying to smudge it? But it looks really nice on the top. I'm trying to see what I'm doing. I really can't. I know I didn't put it on the best, but honestly, like putting it on and smudging it out, blue eyeliner just looks so good. Just makes my eyes pop so much.
I'm gonna look back at this footage later and be like, why did you try to do this in the viewfinder? So that is it for the Sephora Play unboxing for February of 2018. If you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed what you saw in the unboxing, or unbagging really, then click that like button, comment what you thought or any requests down below, and be sure to subscribe to my main channel, my beauty channel, and my vlog channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.